So if you're looking for some more stability and security for your action camera on your motorcycle handlebars, your mountain bike, or whatever crazy thing that you're doing out there, you should check out these ones from PGY Tech. Let's get right into it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, I've showed you some PGY Tech products, including their cap lock system, which is one of the best systems out there, hands down. Also, we looked at their winter photography gloves, their cool camera strap switcher thing, and they're all high quality products, so you should feel confident if you're getting gear from them. But today I wanted to highlight 3 of their products, and the first one is the most secure you can get on your handlebars. And that's thanks to this U-bolt design. And again, just a solid quality, made from high strength aluminum alloy. And so you take this U-bolt off, you put it around your handlebars or some type of bar, and depending on what size it is, they do offer some extra attachments to fit it better. And then you can use the wrench that it comes with, and you can tighten that thing down so that it won't move at all. On top of that, you have a single wing nut to make angle adjustments. And what's really cool about this wing nut is that you loosen it and you can adjust the angle here, and then you can loosen it a little bit more, and now you can actually swivel it around. So that way you can get the perfect angle that you're looking for. On top of that, you have your quarter thread mount with a little dial so you can easily put your camera on top of it, or you can put their cap lock system on top of there. That way you can quickly put your camera on and take it off just like that, and you can lock it in place, and that is the cap lock system. And again, just the highest quality and perfect for anything that's gonna have like a lot of vibration to it, that's gonna be moving around a lot. You want something very secure. This is gonna be the most secure thing for it. And it only comes in under $40 US. But as always, check out the link in the description because the price might be lower or it could be on sale. Also, if you're new here, thanks for being here. Don't be a stranger. And if you like this kind of random action camera gear, make sure you hit that like button. That lets YouTube know that you wanna see more of it. Moving on, they have this super clamp mount. So if you like the idea of having a clamp mount, but you also want that high strength aluminum alloy, yeah, this is what you're gonna want. This is a really solid clamp mount where you can clamp this thing around a pole, your handlebars. It also has nice padding underneath it just to make sure you don't like scratch it up. And when it's around it and you tighten it with your hands, you use this little tool that it came with, and that fits right around it, and you can even tighten it just more than what your fingers can do. And it's on there strong. It is on there. This also has that single wing nut where you can loosen it and get that angle, or loosen it a little bit more. That way you can adjust it, swivel it around, and get exactly the angle that you're looking for. And above that, you have the quarter thread mount for your cameras, but also, again, you can put the cap lock system on there, and there's a dial to tighten it even more, just getting it really tight, really secure. This is one of the best and strongest crab claw mount or super clamp mount that I've seen. And again, this comes in under $40 US. And lastly, to change the pace up a little bit, I wanted to share with you their really heavy duty quality made on the go camera bag or drone bag. This is the 4-liter version, but they also have a 6-liter and 10-liter version, which actually will hold your laptop. Opening up the main pocket, it opens wide, and you can see there's a spot for your camera and lenses. And I love this little detachable divider, so you can position it exactly how you want. Then over here, there's a zip pocket where you have a section for your cords, AirPods, batteries, and more. On the other side of that, there is a magnetic section to easily access cords, batteries, action cameras, and any other small accessories that you might need. There's even a little hidden spot in there for an AirTag so that if someone takes it, you can find it. There's one more magnetic sleeve over on the back just for like quick access, more flat gear. And the whole thing is quality made. It's very well padded. It has a PU coating to keep it splash and scratch resistant. The stitching is really nice. And even with the zippers, I love that they have this little holder for them so that they're not dangling around. I also love that they have this quick adjustable buckle on the strap so you can pull it and loosen it if you need to. Also at the bottom, there's an easy strap system to put a small tripod, just making this a great little bag for travel with your gear. And again, check out the description for links to all of this gear, and thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you wanna see some more PGY Tech gear videos, check out this one over here, or you can check out this one over here. Either way, I'll be there, and thanks again. See you next time, bye.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.